Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to show you how to check your grades in Canvas and how to resubmit something if you're not happy with the grade that you received. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to come over here to Grades, click on that, and then you'll notice you'll have a status, if it's turned in or late or what, and then you will have a score over here. You will only have a score after I grade it, okay? So if you don't like the score that you receive, you're going to come over here to the actual assignment and click on the assignment, and it's going to pull up your original. You will correct it and redo it in this section here, and then you will resubmit the assignment. Once you do that, it will tell me that it's been resubmitted, and I can go in and regrade it. If you have any questions, please come to the Teams meeting and let me know. Thanks. Have a great day.